Okay, I'm gonna start by using my LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color white, and I'm using it as a base for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild banana setting powder and I'm using it to set the base. I'm gonna take my makeup palette and I'm gonna start with that dark burgundy color right here, and I'm gonna gently build it up into my crease and go a little bit higher past my crease. I'm taking the same brush and take my brush cleaner and clean it. Next, I'm going with this bright pink color right here and apply it on top right next to the burgundy color and blend it. I'm also using it as a transition color. And I'm also focusing on the outer corner. Next, I'm taking this purple shade right here and apply it into my crease right on top of the burgundy shade to deepen it up a little bit more and blend it. And I'm also focusing on the outer corner. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm using my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn to cut my crease. Next, I'm taking a flat top brush and spray it with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Setting Spray. I'm taking this beautiful shimmery purple color right here and tap it into the cut crease area. I'm taking this brown shade right here and put that on the outer corner of the lids and blend it up into the crease area. And I'm merging it with that shimmery purple shade. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to apply the burgundy shade and blend the brown shade out with more of the burgundy on the brush. And I also use the light pink color to blend out the burgundy shade. Now, I'm taking this gold shimmery color here and place it on my brow bones. Now, I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Mocha and apply it all over my face and blend it. Now I'm gonna highlight my face using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and blend it. Guys, I'm so sorry about the light changing. The light kept getting brighter without me noticed and making it hard for you guys to see the real colors. But don't worry, it will get better. Just keep on watching. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild banana setting powder to set the areas that are concealed. Next, I'm taking my Ruby Kiss mineral powder in the color Ebony and use it to contour my face. And I also use it to contour my nose. Now, I'm taking the same banana setting powder and trace a line on my cheeks under the contour lines. To finish up my eyes, I'm taking this purple LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil and use it to highlight my lower lash line. Make sure to connect the bottom line with the top line. And I'm going back to the makeup palette. I'm gonna take this purple color right here and smoke out that purple liner. And I'm dragging it all the way to the top line. Next, I'm taking the same shimmery purple shade that I applied to my cut crease and place it right underneath the purple shade. And I also took the burgundy color that I applied on my crease and place it on the inner corner. Now I'm taking my LA Colors Auto Eyeliner in the color Black and use it to outline my waterline. Next, I'm taking my Ruby Kiss Matte Finish Foundation powder and use it to dust out the extra setting powders. Next, I'm taking my Klean Color Mist Cheek Blush in the color Sunset and Tangerine and mix them and apply them on my cheeks. Now, I'm taking my Milano Tantastic Face and Body Baked Bronzer and use it to highlight my face. And I also apply it on my tear duct. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in the color Backstage all over my lips, and I'm also gonna apply the color Obsess in the center of my lips. I'm going to do my lips and fix my eyelashes, and I will be right back with the final result. Et puis, voila, we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys.